Good morning, class 11 commerce students. Welcome in accountancy class. The current topic which is in progress is how to pass journal entries from various business transactions. Today we are taking illustration 2 as per my book. The name of the sum is Journal of Yes Raj and Sons. Here are few transactions in front of you. Yesterday or in my previous video, I also told you about the date, particular, ledger folio, debit and credit. Now I will not write date because I told how to write. Now you will be writing yourself. First transaction we are taking today, sold goods for cash. I always tell whenever we are passing these journal entries, we must identify two things. So here two things are goods and cash. Goods and cash both are real accounts because goods is also assets, cash is also assets. So what is the rule of real? Debit what comes in, credit what goes out. So what is coming? Cash is coming and goods is going. Our first entry is cash account debit to. Whenever you are selling goods, we are going to use the word to sales account. 13,000 and 13,000. What will be the narration here? Being goods sold in cash. Narration is compulsory to write in each and every entry. Next entry, sold goods to Mahesh, 15,000 rupees. What are two things? Two things are number one goods and number two Mahesh. Mahesh is which account? Mahesh is personal account. What is the rule of personal? Debit the receiver. तो who is Mahesh? Mahesh is receiver क्योंकि हमने उसको गुड्स बेचा है, उसे गुड्स मिल रहा है. तो Mahesh account debit to sales account. What is the amount of sale? 15,000 rupees. 15,000 rupees. Being goods sold to Mahesh. What is the difference between this entry and this? This is cash sale entry and this is credit sale. यहाँ माल हमने नकद बेचा है and here we are selling the goods on credit. This is the main difference between these two entries. Now next entry, received cash from Mahesh. Received cash from Mahesh, 10,000 rupees. What are the two main accounts here? Number one is cash and number two is Mahesh. Cash, which account? Real account. Mahesh, personal account. Real, what is the rule of real? Debit what comes in. So cash is coming. So what we are going to debit? Cash account debit. और in order to just क्रैम, अगर इसको क्रैम करना चाहते हो तो बहुत आसान सी चीज है. अगर ये अकाउंट डेबिट हो गया तो दूसरा अकाउंट ऑटोमेटिकली क्या होगा? क्रेडिट होगा. टू महेश अकाउंट. टू महेश अकाउंट. हाउ मच अमाउंट आर वी गेटिंग? 10,000. Logically, if you want to find out why Mahesh credited, Mahesh is personal account. What is the rule of personal account? Debit the receiver, credit the giver. तो who is Mahesh over here? यहाँ पर महेश कौन है? गिवर है. Mahesh has given money to us. हमें पैसा मिला है. Money is coming and Mahesh is giver. We always pass these entry in books of business. In books of business. Next entry, sold goods to Suresh for cash. Now see here three things are there: goods, Suresh and cash. तो forget about Suresh because we sold goods in cash. हमने माल नकद बेचा है. तो whether we are selling it to Suresh, Mahesh, Naresh, Ram, Shyam, Mohan doesn't matter. जब हमने माल नकद बेच दिया तो किसको बेचा है उससे हमें फर्क नहीं पड़ता है. Here the two things are cash and goods. Cash is real, goods is real. Debit what comes in. तो cash account debit to sales account. I have passed this sales entry earlier also. 12,600, 12,600. Being goods sold in cash. Next entry, sold goods to Suresh, 7,000 rupees. सुरेश को माल बेचा है. In this entry we also sold to Suresh, but here the word cash was given. But here the word cash is not given. It means it becomes credit sale. So what will be our entry, my dear friends? Cash account debit to sales account. Rupees 7,000. Rupees 7,000. Cash is coming and goods is going. Now today one more new entry is coming to us. Goods withdrew for cash withdrew for personal use. बिजनेस में से मालिक ने अपने पर्सनल यूज के लिए पैसा निकाला है। Whenever owner is withdrawing something from business for personal use, तो it is known as drawing। इसको हम क्या नाम देते हैं सर? ड्रॉइंग का नाम देते हैं। Who has withdrawn it? Owner has withdrawn। किसने विड्रॉ किया है? ओनर ने विड्रॉ किया है। ओनर इज विच अकाउंट? पर्सनल अकाउंट। ओनर मालिक है, नाम है, पर्सनल अकाउंट है। तो वन थिंग इज पर्सनल अकाउंट, दैट इज ओनर डेबिट द रिसीवर। मालिक ने को पैसा मिला है तो मालिक को क्या करेंगे? डेबिट। और जब भी मालिक को डेबिट करना होता है, वी आर गोइंग टू यूज द वर्ड ड्रॉइंग। व्हाट एंट्री वी आर गोइंग टू पास? ड्रॉइंग अकाउंट डेबिट। Drawing account debit rupees 2500. The second account is cash. Cash is going from us. Real account. Credit what? Goes out to cash account 2500. I hope you are able to understand. This is new entry over here. Goods, sorry, not goods. Cash withdrawn by the owner for personal use. Next entry, paid wages. हमने wages paid की है। What are two accounts? Number one, wages and paid. कितने रुपए दिए हमने? 450 रुपए। Wages is which account? Real, personal और nominal? Tell me dear. Wages कौन सा account है? Real है? नहीं है, because it is not asset. Personal है? नहीं है, because it is not a name. तो this is which account? It is nominal. Debit all the expenses. Is wages expense or not? Yes, it is expense. Why? Because we are paying. हमने pay किया है. Pay it means it is expense. So what is our entry, dear friends? Wages account debit to what is going from our pocket? Cash is going. Cash is real account. Cash is going. Credit what goes out. Wages is expense. Debit the all expenses. Narration: being wages paid in cash. Next entry. Next entry is paid salary to Gopal. Paid salary. Salary, Gopal, and paid means we have paid in cash. Sir, when we are paying salary, doesn't matter we are paying to Gopal, Ram, Shyam, Mohan. जब हम सैलरी दे रहे हैं तो इससे हमें कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता हम राम को दे रहे हैं, श्याम को दे रहे हैं, मोहन को दे रहे हैं, doesn't matter. Salary paid means salary. Salary is which account? Nominal account. Salary is which account? Nominal. Why it is nominal? Because it is neither real not personal. न तो ये नाम है न ये किसी ये हमारी एसेट्स है। नॉमिनल, व्हाट इज द रूल ऑफ नॉमिनल? डेबिट ऑल द एक्सपेंसेस। तो सैलरी वी आर पेइंग, इट इज एक्सपेंस, दैट्स व्हाई सैलरी अकाउंट डेबिट, सैलरी अकाउंट डेबिट टू अनदर थिंग इज व्हाट इज गोइंग फ्रॉम अस? कैश टू कैश अकाउंट रुपीस 1200 being salary paid in cash. And the last entry is received commission of rupees 200. One thing is commission, another is received. What received? Cash received. Another is cash. So cash is which account? Real. Debit what comes in? Commission is coming to us. So cash is coming. So cash account debit. Cash account debit to commission is which account? Nominal. Just I told. It can't be real or personal. It is nominal. We are receiving, हमें मिल रहा है. Is it our income or expense? It is our income. ये हमारी क्या है? Income है. And incomes are always credited. That's why to commission account. It is rupees 200. It is rupees 200. Being commission received in cash. So this is illustration number 2. How to pass journal entries. Let us take one more illustration here. We will take now illustration number 3. We will take illustration number 3. Just a moment. Let me wipe out the board. Now board is ready, sir. Format is same. Debit column, credit column, ledger folio. Now sum number 3 says that this sum is belong to Vishal Brothers. Journal of Vishal Brothers. Journal of Vishal Brothers. Vishal Brothers. First entry. Commenced business with cash. Commenced business with cash. Rupees 5 lakh. Commenced business with cash means business started with cash. We introduce capital into business. हमने business में क्या लगाई है? Capital. Who introduced this capital? Vishal brothers introduced this capital. So two things are: number one, cash. When Vishal is introducing the capital, what is coming in the business? Cash is coming, because Vishal is paying money into business. That's why cash is coming. Cash account debit. Two, either you can write Vishal capital or you can write capital. Meaning is the same. Either to capital or you can write even to Vishal capital also. 5 lakh, 5 lakh, 5 lakh. Being business started by Vishal of rupees 5 lakh. Vishal capital is personal account. Debit the receiver, credit the giver. Next entry is goods purchased from Mahesh in cash. In cash rupees 50,000. So what are the two things? Number one, goods. Number two, cash. Goods purchased in cash. Though Mohan is also given, but here Mahesh is also given. Sorry, we will not do anything with Mahesh, because when we are purchasing goods in cash, so whether we are purchasing from Ram, Shyam, Mohan doesn't matter. So two things are goods and cash. Both are real account. Debit what comes in, credit what goes out. Goods is coming and goods is purchased by us. So purchase account debit, purchases account debit to cash account. What is going from us? Cash is going 50,000, 50,000 rupees. Being goods purchased in cash. Next entry, goods purchased from Ajay. Goods purchased from Ajay. Goods purchased from Ajay, rupees 1,20,000. So what are two things over here, dear? Number one, goods. Number two, Ajay. We are purchasing goods. Whenever we are purchasing goods, what to be debit, dear friends? Purchases account debit, because goods is coming. जो भी गुड्स हमने खरीदा है, अगर हम उसको बेचने के लिए खरीद रहे हैं, तो परचेज विल बी डेबिटेड डियर. व्हाट टू बी डेबिट? परचेज. टू, which account to be credit? Ajay, because this is credit purchase. So to Ajay account 1,20,000, 1,20,000 rupees. Being goods purchased from Ajay. Ajay is which account? Personal. Debit the receiver, credit the giver. Who is Ajay? Giver. That's why credited. Next entry, goods returned to Ajay. Goods returned to Ajay. It is of rupees 5,000. It is of rupees 5,000. Goods returned to Ajay. So again two things here. Number one, goods. Number two, Ajay. So Ajay is which account? Personal. Goods is which account? Real. Ajay is personal. What is the rule of personal? Debit the receiver, credit the giver. तो when we are returning goods to Ajay, जब हम अजय को माल वापस दे रहे हैं, तो who is Ajay? Receiver. That's why Ajay account debit. Ajay account debit to what is going? Goods is going. Which goods? Which is purchased by us earlier. जो goods हमने पहले खरीदा था, वो वापस जा रहा है. तो what word we are going to use? Purchase return. तो to purchase return. It is rupees 5,000 and 5,000. Being goods returned to Ajay. Next entry is sold goods to Rajiv 40,000. Sold goods to Rajiv 40,000 rupees. It is sale. We did sale entry in previous sum also, sir. It is cash sale or credit sale? I think credit. So entry will be Rajiv account debit to sales. Rajiv account debit to sales. 40,000, 40,000. Why Rajiv debited, sir? Personal account, debit the receiver. Why sales credit? Goods is going from us. Goods हमारे पास से जा रहा है. That's why it is credited. And the last entry is Rajiv returned 10% of goods. Rajiv returned 10% of goods. राजीव ने 10% गुड्स वापस कर दिया. 10% of goods means 40,000 of 10%. That is 4,000 rupees goods return. Two things, one is Rajiv and one is goods. हमने प्रीवियस एंट्री में राजीव को माल बेचा था. अब हमें वो गुड्स वापस मिल गया. कुछ कितने रुपए का? 4,000 रुपए का. what is coming? Goods is coming. हमारे पास goods आया है जो हमने बेचा था. When we sold goods, what did we credit? Sales. Now what do we debit? Sales return to be debit. Sales return account debit to who is giver? Rajiv. To Rajiv, because Rajiv is personal. Debit the receiver, credit the giver. He is giver. 4,000 rupees. 4,000 rupees. So in this way we are going to pass journal entries. Now one thing I don't know whether you observed or not. Whenever I am writing the figure, whenever I am writing the amount, like I wrote 5 lakh. Normally you people write 5 lakh in this way without putting commas. I will always suggest you to put commas whenever we are writing amount. First comma will be after 3, then after 2. Suppose you want to write 17 lakh 44,323. The first comma will be after 13, then after 2. In this way, 5,000 you want to write, 5,340. The comma will come here only. So in this way, if you put commas, so later on totaling will become very easy. So today this topic was how to pass journal entry. Thank you very much.